Humpback whales are one of the most majestic, fascinating creatures on Earth. With their impressive size and unique singing, they have captivated the hearts of many. But what do we know about their behavior? How do humpback whales interact with each other and their environment? In this video, we will explore the behavior of humpback whales in the wild to gain a better understanding of this species. Humpback whales are one of the most majestic creatures living in the ocean today. With their distinct patterned tail and long pectoral fins, these whales have many unique physical characteristics that set them apart from other species. The humpback whale is a large mammal with a length range of 46 to 56 feet and a weight of up to 88,000 pounds. The coloring of these animals varies from white on their underbelly to black or gray on top, both covered in small white spots and stripes that create a unique pattern for each individual whale. A defining feature of the humpback whale is its disproportionately long pectoral fins, which can measure up to 16 feet long. Humpbacks also possess a distinctively shaped head with a protruding lower jaw forming an arch near its blowhole. Humpback whales are majestic creatures that inhabit the world's oceans. Humpback whales can often be spotted along coastlines near Antarctica, South America, Australia, New Zealand, and parts of Africa. During certain times of the year, these whales migrate to warmer waters to feed and reproduce. This often means migrating from poles to equator regions such as Mexico's Sea of Cortez or Hawaii's Maui waters. They are one of the most acrobatic and beautiful creatures of the sea, and they can be found in many different habitats. These areas typically include cold temperate waters near coastlines or upwelling regions. Humpback whales have a unique ability to adapt to new environments quickly. This helps them survive even when temperatures rise or water levels fluctuate dramatically. During summer months, humpback whales tend to migrate closer to shore to feed on large amounts of krill, plankton, and fish. In addition to coastal regions, humpback whales may also be found in open ocean habitats such as subtropical waters, where krill is plentiful for them to feed on. The diet of the humpback whale is an oft-studied subject due to its tremendous size and influence on marine ecosystems. Humpbacks feed mostly on small schooling fish, such as herring, anchovies, krill, and capelin. They have also been known to feed on squid and other crustaceans when available in their environment. Humpbacks employ a variety of strategies while hunting for food. They may work together in groups to herd schools of prey into tight balls before gulping them up or use bubble nets that they blow from their blowholes to trap prey before feeding. These whales can consume up to 5,000 pounds of food per day, with the average adult eating around 4% of their body weight daily. Humpback whales have a unique and fascinating reproductive cycle that contributes to their captivating behavior. The mating season for this species typically takes place in the winter months, during which time males compete for the opportunity to mate with females. Interestingly, humpbacks will sing and display aerial behaviors such as breaching and fin slapping throughout the season to attract potential mates. Female humpbacks will usually give birth to one calf every 2 years, after completing an 11 to 12-month gestation period. The newborn calves remain with their mothers until they are approximately 12 months old before venturing out on their own. Humpback whales are majestic creatures of the ocean, and they have some intriguing social behaviors. Humpback whales are known to be highly interactive animals, exhibiting a range of different behavior when interacting with other humpbacks. They form bonds with one another, travel in groups, and even have their own distinct dialects. In terms of forming relationships, scientists have observed that female humpback whales develop strong bonds with each other over long periods of time. They swim together in pods, often staying in proximity while they migrate between feeding grounds and breeding sites. Male humpbacks also form friendships by synchronizing their movements during dives, which can last up to 20 minutes at a time. Furthermore, males use complex song patterns to communicate with each other and establish dominance in the group hierarchy. Not only do humpback whales have a beautiful appearance, but their behavior demonstrates remarkable altruism and social interactions. Researchers have studied humpback whale altruism extensively, discovering numerous behaviors that suggest an advanced level of intelligence and emotion. The most well-known example of humpback whale altruism is their display of cooperative hunting techniques. Humpbacks often come together in groups to feed on large schools of fish, with everyone taking part in the hunt. In addition, they will sometimes work together to protect each other from potential predators such as orcas or sharks by encircling them and creating a barrier. This type of cooperation has also been observed when rescuing stranded individuals from shallow waters or even helping others find food sources during periods of scarcity. Humpback whales are also known for their tail slapping behavior. Tail slapping is an attention-grabbing behavior seen mainly in male humpbacks as they compete with one another for mating rights or territory. The whale will lift its huge flukes out of the water, then swiftly smack them back down again on the surface, creating a loud thwack sound. Scientists believe this behavior serves several purposes, including communication and mate attraction. Tail slapping has also been observed as a warning signal to ward off potential predators such as killer whales or sharks. The intense sound created by the slap can startle nearby animals and create enough of a distraction for the whale to escape danger without having to expend too much energy swimming away. Humpback whales are an incredible species that have adapted to change and thrive in a variety of environments. These majestic creatures are known for their intelligence, social behaviors, and remarkable adaptations that allow them to survive in the depths of the ocean. One of the most notable behavioral adaptations exhibited by humpback whales is their ability to communicate with one another through a series of vocalizations. This communication method helps them find food, identify mates, locate each other in murky waters, and even establish hierarchies within pods. Humpbacks also use breaching to communicate and show off. They rise out of the water and quickly crash back down to the surface, often surprising potential predators or competitors who may be nearby. Beyond communication, humpback whales have developed several strategies to protect themselves from predators like killer whales or sharks. They can expel a large amount of water from their blowholes, which can cause sharks or other creatures to be momentarily stunned. Humpbacks have also been observed using their pectoral fins and tails to ward off predators. The natural predators of humpback whales include killer whales, orcas, and large sharks such as great white sharks. While great whites prefer to feed on seals or sea lions, they will occasionally target a juvenile humpback whale if given the opportunity. Killer whales are apex predators, meaning they have no natural enemies, so they attack any prey they come across, including young humpback whales. Additionally, humans are considered the primary predators as hunt humpback whales for their meat, blubber, and baleen. In summary, the behavior of humpback whales is complex and mysterious. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds. They use their tail flukes to propel themselves through the water, they use their body language to express emotions, and they can support other creatures when in need. Furthermore, these amazing mammals have been seen engaging in cooperative hunting practices and helping researchers learn more about them. Humpback whales are an incredible species that deserve more research and attention.